Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and it's officially 2nd of June today, so it's my birthday basically. So I've thought of vlogging this day. So I'll be starting with the skincare, then following up the makeup, and then the final step is my dress. Start with my skincare. I am thinking of applying this sheet mask. This is by Quench Botanics. So I've already kept in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 minutes. And now I'll be applying it. Mama Chica mud dipping sheet mask, basically for oil control skin, and I have oily skin, so yeah. So gently we'll be pulling it out. It's this because it's already mud dipping sheet. Now I have to figure it out by which way I'll be applying it. So yeah, a little bit complicated. I finally put up my mask and I have to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to let all the oil to soak it in the mask. And in the meantime, I'll be putting up this lip scrub. This is by Plum. It's like 2 to 3 times a month that I apply lip masks, lip scrubs. I gently don't, but yeah, when I feel that my lips are going cranky or the skin is peeling out, then it's the time to finally scrub your lips. Yes, now I'll be, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll be wiping off. So guys, it's finally my time to remove this sheet mask. It's almost 15 minutes that I've kept it for, and now I'll be gently removing it. All the clay that has come out on my skin, and now I'll be throwing it off. Guys, I'm back after rinsing my skin, and can you see all the oil has been extracted from my skin. Moving on is to put moisturizer, and this is from Quench Botanics only, 92% snail mucin collagen boost. It really hydrates your skin without making it oily, feeling oily. It has a mucin consistency, so you have to put a little bit of it and you can spread it like you can see. I hope you get what you're looking. I love good moisturizers which doesn't make my skin feel oily, but yeah, at the same time it makes your skin plumpy, juicy, hydrated. You can prep your skin before doing makeup. You can put it as a moisturizer, and yes, if you feel more oily, you can put good amount of moisturizer as well after this. Second most important step is putting a good lip balm. This one is from Laneige Lip Glaze. This is it is in sugar glaze, yeah. It works as an overnight treatment also. I have used it as an overnight treatment also, and it has worked really well for me. So yeah, I have 3 of its range, and I'll let it sit on my skin for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll be jumping on to my birthday makeup. Guys, I'm done with my base. I have prepped my skin. I have applied the primer and the foundation as well. Now I'm moving on to my next step. Also I've put it on my concealer also. Now I'm putting a little bit of brightening concealer. This is by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'll be applying it a little bit just to brighten up my eyes. So don't let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you who let go. Rest for some time. Till then, I'll be applying my bronzer. This one is from Kylie Cosmetics. So I've applied my bronzer, and the next step is to put the blush. This one is from K-Beauty. This is a cream blush. I'm going towards brown neutral makeup. To the next step, which is blending my concealer. Last time we talked, like this, it has brighten up my eye.
Chose to walk.
So I have fixed my concealer. It has literally brightened up my eye. And now moving on to the next step is to perfectly putting everything in place by Huda Beauty Easy Bake. And this time I'll be doing it with a brush.
Thinking we could be friends.
I'm done with my makeup. The last step that I have done was to put up my... I don't put false lashes, so basically I put mascara, and this time it was this Idol from Lancome. This is the new purchase. So yeah, and I'm done with my mascara also. Everything is fixed in place, and now the last thing is to set everything in place by this Terter makeup fixer. This one is the best in market right now for me. So yeah,
To see where we went. Here's the thing.
I generally love brown makeup, and so this time I've thought of doing brown makeup on my birthday. And yeah, now I'll be showing you my dress as well. So yeah, brown makeup literally goes with my dress. My last step is the lip combo. So I'm thinking of going with the MAC lip liner brown. This is the last that I have to use, and I have already repurchased this one. This is chestnut. So yeah, first of all, filling up my lip with a dark lip liner.
But babe, with me.
I don't put lipsticks without putting a lip liner, and I love to smudge it. This is also my new purchase. This is Pat McGrath Lab lipstick, and basically I'm fan of the packaging first and then the lip shade. This is brown, perfect brown, satin. This is a satin lipstick, by the way. So, and I am fan of the formulation. Huda Beauty Lip Jelly, Fox Filler Jelly Oil. This is also a recent purchase.
Imagine doing all that again.
This is my lip combo of the day. And yes, now I am fully done with my makeup.
The sky, yours
And this is how it looks.
out of my head.
I have to fix my hair now. Now that I'm done with my makeup, I've also fixed my hair, and I have put up my birthday dress. So this is how it looks. It is absolutely stunning. And my pair of heels.
End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the rope. So don't let me.
I'm here at Taj to finally celebrate my birthday, and I'll attach all the pictures of my cake cutting, and here also I've cut the cake, and this is how the ambience looks.
Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring us back from the day. 'Cause when you know, and when you don't, when it ends.
Finally, our mocktails have arrived, and this is mine, and this is Sissy's, and our food is also here, the pure vegetarian table.
Room to guess when it.
Happy birthday.